What's up, y'all? It's your girl Jerzey Elise coming back at you with another video, and we'll be doing some clippings today. But before we begin, if you haven't done so already, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Make sure you go ahead and like this video and comment down below. If this is your first time here, I'm your girl Jerzey Elise. If this isn't your first time here, welcome back. You know how we do. So to get started, my hair is already washed, conditioned, pre-stretched. And y'all, I definitely need to get my ends trimmed for real. But we're going to go ahead and get this Eco Styler gel put on around my edges as well as the top of my head, just so we can get it laid down a little bit for this style. I gently braid it down, but I'm just going to slick it back into a low ponytail since we'll be using clip-ins. So as you can see, some of my hair is still going to be sticking up, but that is fine since we're going to use the clip-ins. It's all going to be put away. So I'm going to use that same ponytail holder on the other side instead of just getting another one. So now I'm about to go ahead and do the same thing to the other one. And just go ahead and put some more gel on there, even though I know it's going to stick back up. But now I'm just going to go ahead and take it and put it all into one ponytail, so it's all secured. And like I said, as you can see, my hair is still sticking up on the side. But now what I want to do is go ahead and take that hair and twist it into a twist and just wrap it around. So after that fail, going to go ahead and put another ponytail on it and just take a little bit more Eco Styler gel, brush it down just so it can just lay a little bit flatter. I don't want it to be pushed up because, again, it is a protective style, so I'm trying to get my ends to be as secure as possible. So this is now the back of it. As you can still see, my hair is still sticking up. That's why I need to go to the shop. Y'all, I definitely want to get my hair taken care of. So now, as you can see, I had to do my edges off camera because they usually don't come out good when I try to do it on camera, and I still don't think they look good, but hey. So what I'm going to use now is this Edge Magic. I'm just going to put it down on my hair just a little bit to slick it down a little bit more. I used this when I did my crochet faux butterfly locks, and I actually really like it. So I'm just going to add that on there. So now we're going to get into the good part and adding these good old clip-ins. Y'all, I found these at my local beauty supply store for like $25. Okay? $25. So all I did was go ahead and unclip it. So you can just unclip it, hook it down into your hair, and then press it so it closes so it stays secure. Now I did realize that I did it my ponytail a little too high, and I wish I would have did it a little bit lower to make it a little bit fuller in the back, but hey, it's all a learning process and it still look good. So it's actually a total of 9 pieces that come in a pack, and I didn't use all 9 pieces, but I did go ahead and clip it in. So I'm just going to go ahead and shut up and let y'all go ahead and see what I did. All right, y'all, so as you can see, it took less than 10 minutes for me to do. Like I said, this is a easy install on this for a kinky hair. So I'm just going back with my Edge Magic just to do my edges, touch it up a little bit. I'm not an edge queen, so edge, please do not come and get me. So I'm just going to go ahead and clean that up, and once I get that cleaned up, I'm going to go ahead and put a scarf around it. just to lay it. I generally will lay it for 10 minutes just to make sure I know that it's going to stay, and sometimes just take a blow dryer just to make sure that it's going to stay. So right now, once I turn around, you're going to see what I'm talking about when I said I could have added an extra few clip-ins in the back. So I probably could have used all 9 pieces, but it will do for now. It still look full to me, but I just know that I could have added some more. But here goes to hair in this state. Easy, real easy, you guys. And then here is the final product. So as you can see, just added a headband to it. I hope you guys like this hairstyle. If you like to see more clip-in hairstyles, just let me know. Like I said, it didn't take no time for me to do, and I love making these hair videos. So I'll catch you in the next one.